Looks like I'll be doing some trimming. Well, the joys of using reclaimed lumber is invariably, once in a while, you're going to have to deal with some crap. But that's not too bad to deal with, I suppose. So we're just trying to get this thing closed in. And I'll show you guys some other stuff we're working on towards it. Man, this is cupped and warped. That is one unsexy board right there, but we'll make it work. Wow. Still a pretty good gap there. Let's see. Maybe broken fingers will be better. It would have been better just to get a different damn board. All right, for anybody curious, I mentioned a big exhaust fan that we're going to be using. It's going to be kind of for welding and for ventilating the shop in the summertime. So basically, whenever we're welding in here, we're going to have this door on the one end open. And that way you got to keep a positive airflow in here. Otherwise, this isn't going to do much. So this is pretty big. I'm not even sure what the CFM is. It's a 15 7/8 inch fan. Let's see. It's a Dayton. It's 115 volt, I believe. Oh, where are we at here? I think I can wire it for 230. Where is the CFM? Do you not have it written on here? Well, apparently, I'll have to look that up. We'll have to look that up and see what the what the CFM rating is on this. The only issue this thing has is it needs a new bearing on the bottom. So I'm pretty sure I have one out in the pit of despair. So basically, hopefully this weekend we'll see how it goes, see how busy everything is. I'm on call, of course, so yay. But we'll pull this off of here. We'll pull the motor out, all that good stuff. That's pillow block bearings are greasable. We'll get those out. We'll get the squirrel cage out, and we'll see what happens. So we'll get our bearings on it and go from there, and then we're going to figure out how we're going to wrestle this pig up onto this wall, because I want it kind of high in here. So anyway, that's her. It's been a long day. It's been a long week so far, so I think I'm going to cut it short tonight. I'm going to go in, edit this, and then I'm going to get my ass to bed. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.